In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe to collect payments, even in 2025. Whether you're running a small business or you're a freelancer looking to streamline your payment processes, understanding how to use Stripe effectively can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Stripe website. If you're unfamiliar, Stripe is a leading financial infrastructure platform that enables you to accept and process payments conveniently online. You can simply go to stripe.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, you're going to need to log in. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one. But, for the purposes of this tutorial, let's assume you're already registered. Simply enter your email and password to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to what's known as the Stripe Home. This area gives you a broad overview of your account activities and provides you with various tools essential for managing your payment processes. Getting familiar with the layout here is beneficial, as it's where you'll be managing your transactions. Now that you're on the home screen, look for the Payments tab. Clicking on this will take you to a new section where the magic truly begins. This area allows you to track past payments and manage any ongoing transactions. Here, you have the ability to organize your income streams efficiently. Next up is the Payment Links feature. Click on this option. This is a particularly powerful feature if you want to create a quick and easy way for your customers to pay. Payment links allow you to generate unique URLs you can send to customers through email, chat, or even add to your website. It's a seamless way to facilitate transactions without needing any complex integrations. For those of you who might be new to using Stripe, leveraging payment links can simplify the way you capture online payments. It eliminates the need for detailed technical knowledge, making it perfect for users who prefer a straightforward process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up Stripe as a tool to effectively manage and collect payments from your clients or customers. Remember, understanding each part of your Stripe dashboard will empower you to make the most out of what Stripe offers. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through the powerful capabilities of Stripe. Make your payment processing smooth and hassle-free so you can focus on what's really important: growing your business. See you next time.